YouTube, my name is Blake. This is my Indian ringneck, and she's about 15 months old, and she's about 25 weeks old, and she's starting to get really better. She's just past her bluffing stage, but I reckon she'll get back to it again. And this is how to gain its trust and stuff. Well, first of all, if you can pat her on the head, she's still a bit feisty, but just not like that, just properly pat her on the neck and stuff. You've already practically gained the trust, and sometimes boys are more mature than girls, but girls when they're older, they can get more friendly, and once you put your finger in the cage to change their food and stuff, they realise that you're feeding it and changing the water, and you're changing the water and all that stuff. And Polly, and this is how to step up. I don't really say step up. I just keep going like this all the time. And I got Polly for Christmas. And I'll go show you our cage. Yep. Hello, we're back. This is Polly cage, everyone. $175.